Hey everyone, it's Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com with the arms swinging in the background. Did you guys get that on the previous video? Well, if you did, we have Helen is here, and Helen has been almost doing a sketchbook video now for what, 2 months? So finally, Helen, how are you?
Good.
And what's your dream job?
Oh my god, I don't really have one. Like, it's like constantly changing, but if I would have to like say something, I would say like something in like design, like
Okay.
characters, props, and like environments.
Awesome. Now, come on over. We actually didn't do a preliminary, so you're just gonna flip through this sketchbook for me.
Okay.
And now, you guys, I know I'm a little bit of a broken record, and I'm gonna say that Helen's sketchbook has massive improvement, but it has massive improvement as she starts to get deep into 10, 20 pages in. It starts to really improve. So Helen, what are all of these drawings that you've got here? These are just like a little bit of everything, drawing from photos, drawing from your imagination?
These are all from like photos and videos I found online.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the online pose on my site.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. And what about this?
This was from these were from my animation history class.
So
Like just drew these from life.
Okay, so you're just drawing classmates.
Yeah.
And that's homework, kind of. More homework. More homework. So this is your second sketchbook from the fall semester. And what about these?
That was from like some video online.
Okay.
I think, yeah.
I love those drawings there at the bottom, very pretty.
Thank you.
What's your favorite choice of medium in your sketchbook, pencil or pen?
I would say pencil. I was using like a lot of like marker at first, but like as I go on, it's like all like pencil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so a little bit more homework. Love those hands, by the way. Great job, lots of energy. Excellent. Now, this character that you have on the bottom half of the page, what character is that? Because you draw that character a lot.
Oh, these are characters from my story pitch class. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, they're in here a lot.
How to draw feet. That's an old video, but I'm very happy that you watched it. Good job. Those are beautiful. Matt's self-help corner, love it. Screw it, I suck. Okay, don't say that when you wake up in the morning. Okay, keep flipping. We don't want to show everybody that torso peanut shape. Now, okay, so I said about 20 pages in. This page is one of my favorites. I mean, look at that. Now, tell me a little bit about this. You said it's something that you found online?
Yeah, this is like a music video for like some like drag queens, and like I drew them.
And you're just basically drawing it from the video?
Yeah.
Them from the video.
Mm-hmm.
Really nice stuff.
Thank you.
Gorgeous page there with the torsos and how you're drawing your own flavorful character. Good job. Hold on now, but I'm going to just zoom in a little bit here. Those are that's a wonderful little designs. Bunch of heads. Character design for animation.
I think that was for like story pitch.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of homework in here.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Did that help you?
Oh yeah, like a whole lot. Like I still use the torso peanut thing, but
Awesome.
I'm just like drawing from memory.
Awesome. Very good. You have a lot in here.
Mm-hmm.
It gets really interesting. Just some perspective scenes.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on now. So tell me a little bit about this page here on the left. How long did that main character take you?
This page?
Yeah.
I drew that in like class, just kind of like casually, so I wasn't really like keeping track.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're just kind of messing around.
Mhm.
See you later, Everett. Everett's being very kind and gently walking out of the classroom. Much appreciated. Have a good week. That was funny. Okay, now this is where I'm really, like this character design, I really like it. The shape of the character's face, the shape of the hair. I like how you're thinking about the silhouetted shapes over there. Really lovely, very pretty. Oh, that's a great page. Do me a favor, just push your sketchbook towards me a little bit. Good, good, good. I like that. That is fantastic. Nice interaction with the characters. Lots of movement in these poses. Lots of energy in your line. Excellent. Wow. That character on the lower left there has so much volume. Excellent. Now, this witch character, what's going on with this character?
That's a character from my like story pitch. I think I like my like personal style like changed a lot. So it's like you'll see the same character later on, but like they look like really different. 'Cause,
Really
like, the
different?
style. Yeah.
Nice. Love it. And this is just a random pink marker.
It's like it's like a highlighter actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know how you draw with that, but you did an amazing job. Now, tell me a little bit about this page.
These top two, I like use like photo references, and then I just like drew over that, and then everything else I think was like just from memory.
Excellent. I love those. Those are spectacular. And the way that you're using the side of the pencil here with a complete different texture is just excellent diversity with the pencil. Wow. And you're using light and shade on those characters' faces. Love it. That's a great page. Excellent. Nuclear color, we're going to call this sketchbook. Nuclear line work. That line is like glowing. Now hold on a second. This is a really interesting, all those faces over there. Great work. Now there's some cats in here, right?
I think like towards the
No,
end.
well, towards the end of this. Okay, good, good. I'm interrupting your flow. I'm sorry.
These are like from the museum trip.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Did you like the museum trip?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Love those. Those are really special. It's like I know where every single statue is that you drew in the museum. Personal relationship with all of them.
And yeah.
Good. Okay, so just push your sketchbook a little bit towards me. Thank you. Good. Once again, from Pictures Online.
Yeah. Yeah, I think like this was like a point where like I was like really trying to like fill my sketchbook, so I did like a bunch of these gestures. And then like later I remember you wrote like a note being like, hey, you're doing this a lot.
Yes.
And I was like, oh, okay. And then I don't think I ever did these again for the rest of the book.
Yeah, because I knew that I wanted you to mix it up.
Yeah.
it's important that you experiment in your sketchbook. I think you have a lot of experimentation in here, and I think that was your first sketchbook because you did a lot of these in red. Remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I love what you're doing here with the paper, and your character design is really excellent. Wow. That needs to go on a huge painting. I'd love to have that. That would be awesome. Excellent, delicate pencil work. Good. So the fact that you do both bold, powerful marker drawings along with this style where that is really cool. These characters with their subtle gesture. I like that you do both. A lot of gravity in some of that line. Good job. And your character design is awesome.
Thank you.
How to draw fabric. Love it. Little motion with avatar. They're getting better because you're doing more, you're showing more information in the middle. Another great page. Hold on. I just love that. Holy Christmas colors. Good. Really special page once again. Hold on now. You're a lot of some, how's that for an English sentence? A lot of your characters kind of have like this 70's vibe. For whatever reason, I don't know why I'm getting that, but I am.
Oh, nice.
Excellent with light and shade. I'm still thinking about Matt's self-help corner. I think I saw that one week when I was looking at your sketchbooks. I'm like, yeah, maybe I gotta stop with the pep talks.
Honestly, I love them so much.
Good, because I thought that you actually hated them. That is awesome. That is from,
Yeah.
that looks very familiar to me.
Yeah, you like wrote here. You're like, I recommend you like look at this artist, and like I looked them up. And
Oh, you did? That's right. That's
Yeah.
the students of George Bridgman.
Yeah, that's their students, and I like
Wow.
just like studies of their work. Yeah.
Wow. Good. Oh yeah, 70's. The high shoes. These are great. Do you guys see where the sketchbook started and where it is now? It's at a complete different place. Excellent. Wow.
Yeah, this I think I wanted to like have more like variety because I was doing like a lot of like figures.
Uh-huh.
So like one day I like sat down and looked up a bunch of different plants. So I did like 2 pages of like looking at like plants.
That's great. It's organic, so organic stuff is excellent to draw. Anything made in nature. And then there were cats. Are there any cats at a diner in your sketchbook?
No, not this one.
Wow. Excellent. So the majority of materials that you use are regular pencil, color erase pencil, the fluorescent marker, and what type of marker is this?
This is like a brush pen.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like trying to practice with that here.
Wow. Oh my God.
those are my favorite. Oh, God, your line has gotten so much better. Jeez.
Excellent. You have a lot in this sketchbook. That is a wonderful page. Oh my God.
And, yeah, that's it.
All right, Helen, we're not even gonna look at the second sketchbook, but thank you so much for sharing your artwork. And we'll post your social media right underneath the site, okay? Or under the video, I should say.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hey, thank you so much for watching Helen's sketchbook. She is a blast to have in class, and I hope that you really enjoyed the improvement as you progressed through her sketchbook. It was pretty cool stuff. Listen, if you're looking for some help with your artwork, if you're a pre-college student, you're in high school and you're putting together a portfolio to get into college, definitely come on over. Their links are in the description below. Come on over to members.drawingtutorialsonline.com and you could see what we have to offer here. Our core is drawing tutorials, video critiques, where we can check out your artwork and we can give you feedback. We can also help you with questions in our member podcast, and we also offer up an online pose section where you can draw from pictures of models, and it's pretty cool. I'm not going to go through all of it here with you because there's just so much. As a really solid begin here step-by-step course. And it's the type of website where there's not a lot of mean type comments. It's a really nurturing website where you can learn and progress your skills in a kind environment. So thank you so much for watching these sketchbook videos. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay up to date, because I've got a whole bunch of new sketchbook videos on my iPhone, and I'm going to be filming a bunch more before the end of the semester. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Be good.